and ratchet it back so we got the gap we wanted in here. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we got more dirt dollars. If any of y'all are pest control specialists or anything like that, is there anything that I can do to get rid of them? They're just everywhere. Thinking about setting off at least 2 bombs in here over this weekend, but yeah, any help would be much appreciated, because I know they're probably getting in the Bronco right now, even though we're messing with it. I just don't like to have dirt daubers nest everywhere. So yeah, if y'all know anything to get rid of them, please let me know, because I have them bad. I figured if I have an air conditioning unit or something to keep it kind of cool in here, it may not be as bad. Might have to tell the wife I need that just to get rid of them, because not only they're in here, but it's about 101 on the, I think I said, the heat index, and with all the rain we had, it's really humid. Actually feels kind of, the air feels heavy in here right now, and I just stepped in here and I'm immediately sweating. So anyways, today's probably gonna be kind of a short video. This morning I had to get up, for some of y'all it's probably not early, but for me it is. I had to get up about 5 o'clock to get to concrete port 8 on site, and that's about an hour drive for me. So got to bed late, got up early, so I'm not really to have too much energy today, but want to get a video shot, because tomorrow, or today, there's so many dirt daubers over there. Today we're leaving to go to the lake for Father's Day weekend. We're going to spend the weekend on the lake. Looking forward to it, and I just kind of want to mess with this a little bit and see if we can get the passenger side fitting a little better. I think I got too wide of an angle on it right now. Let me turn around here, show you. I put this in the vise and I bent it forward. I think I bent it too far, so we'll probably put it back in the vise, bend this back this way a little bit, and try to get this to fit in there better. I think this is how it has to set in here. Spot welds for the old one right here, which you can always go by that. And I screwed that directly into the, I guess that would be the B pillar here. And I don't know if you can tell, but my gap is not perfect. It's pretty even here at the bottom, as in from the pillar to the actual outer rocker. I think it actually needs to kick out just a little bit more to get this even through here. As you can see, got like a step down. And also this is still quite far away from here, so it needs to be pushed in and back. And this side is a whole different story. It lines up pretty good with the flange here. Pillar doesn't want to fit inside there, and I think that's what we're going to try to do today, is bend it a little bit forward and try to get this to slide in there better, so we can get a good fit. As you can kind of tell, there's a step here, there's a step here, so this needs to be here, and that gets there, then that would bring my gap on my door a lot closer back here. And that's what I'm thinking. I like to put the other hinge on it, but I'll have to do a little bit of trimming on this, I think, because the hinge is behind this now. So we might do that too if we got enough time. But if I do that, I'm just gonna kind of split it here and come down how far I need. But yeah, I think today I'm just gonna concentrate on getting this situated. As you can tell, I'm already sweating like profusely. So I'll have some fans on. I haven't done anything yet. Anyways, has fans on, and try to troubleshoot this a little bit further. Got some very exciting news. going to tell you at the end of the video. So stick around. Ain't gonna be a long video by any means. It's 8:30 right now and the girls need to be in bed in 30 minutes. So you gotta hustle, get what I want to done, and tell you something awesome that's gonna happen hopefully next week. But anyways, let's get to work on this right quick and hopefully get this situated. All right, I don't look too good right through there. Anyways, got the door on again and ratcheted it back so we got the gap we wanted in here. It's pretty tight with the paint stick. I do realize need the other hinge on there and probably the correct door I'm going to use. I just don't know where that latching mechanism is at the moment. That could be a lot of help right now. I have to look up there. Can't find it, then I'm probably have to order it. Mike, if this is what you're talking about, please let me know. But I set the A-pillar inside the outer rocker here. It got me where I needed to be, as in, let's see if I can open this. Maybe not too much. But just doing that, so I think he meant it did line everything up. Like really well. Even this little indention here lines up with an indention on this. You know, that to that. I just might do a little trimming through here, cut that down a little bit. But I have a feeling this is what you meant by sticking the front plate of the A-pillar in the outer rocker. And then, of course, this will go back here. If I can get it. Go like that, and then the fender will go in that gap right there. Anyways, I think that's what you meant. Does fit 100% better. Like, I'm really excited with how it looks. We may be further along on the passenger side than the driver's side at the moment. Like I said, I just need to find the latching mechanism for the correct door. put the hinges on it, and then we can start setting everything. Hopefully getting it right, and getting it down, screwed down, and tack welded in here hopefully next week or so. But this is about all I want to do today, is just kind of put that in there, see how it lines up, and it's almost perfect. But I think that'll do it for me tonight. Like I said, I get under kind of late, and I'm already extremely sweaty, and it's only been 30 minutes. But the exciting news is I'm not sure if my friend watches this, but her name's Vicky. She has a brother named Harold, and he does body work. And she actually contacted me with his number. He looked at this before, and he already had other cars that he's working on. But he finally freed up some time, and I think hopefully next week he's gonna come over and help me with the what I'm doing now. So the exciting news is that maybe a week or two, all this will be set and we can weld everything up. With that being said, I may see if he'll do the finish paint and body on this. He recently retired, and he's been doing this for years. My buddy at work, he actually repainted his grandfather's old Ford years ago, so he's been doing it for a long time, and pretty sure he knows what he's doing. But yeah, next week I don't know if he'll let me film it or not. I'll see, but if not, probably just be another short video of what he said to do and what we did to get everything situated. But like I said, next week sometime he'll come out and look over it with me, and hopefully he'll help me go in the right direction with everything. But anyways, it's getting late. I gotta get the girls to bed. It's past their bedtime right now. But for that kind of stuff, please stick around. I think we're getting into some good stuff right here. I need to do what I did with this without a rocker on the driver's side, and maybe we can fit that next time too. Adjust the door to that, since we're pretty close on it. Just like a few things, but yeah, like how it's coming along. I made it this far. Thanks for watching, and hope everybody has a happy Father's Day. See you next time.